In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes on Udemy. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned learner, having an effective note-taking strategy can significantly enhance your learning experience. With Udemy's integrated features, you don't have to juggle between a notepad and your screen. You can do it all in one place. Let's dive into the process and see how easy and efficient it is to take notes while you're learning something new. First, you want to start by navigating to your Udemy dashboard. Log into your account, and once you're there, you'll notice a range of options designed to help you navigate through your courses efficiently. The area we want to focus on today is labeled My Learning. This section is your personal hub where all your active courses are compiled. It's a great starting point, as everything you need is centralized, allowing you to jump right into any course you're currently working on. Once you're in your learning dashboard, look for the tab labeled Notes. Click on this tab to open the note-taking functionality provided by Udemy. This feature is a real game changer because it eliminates the need to switch between multiple applications or devices, thereby keeping all your focus on the content at hand. As you watch your lectures, you can take notes simultaneously. This method not only saves time, but also helps in retaining information as you actively engage with the material. Now, it's time to start writing. As thoughts or important points come to you during the lectures, jot them down in this notes section. It's a straightforward process. Just click and type like you would in any text editor. Keeping your notes organized and concise can be incredibly beneficial for future reference and revision. Udemy's note-taking tool also gives you the flexibility to format your text, allowing you to highlight or underline important details that you may want to revisit later. Once you're satisfied with your notes, the final step is to hit Save Note. This ensures that all your valuable insights are stored securely within the Udemy platform and can be accessed at any time. By regularly saving your notes, you're building a comprehensive resource that you can refer back to whenever you need to refresh your memory or dive deeper into a specific topic. This integrated approach to note-taking while using Udemy greatly enhances your learning efficiency. It keeps everything where it should be, right at your fingertips. Remember, the key to effective learning is not just to watch, but to engage with the material actively. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope you find these tips useful as you continue your learning journey on Udemy. Happy learning!